Hello, and welcome to this full, easy-to-follow guide where we'll show you exactly how to create a Discord server in the year 2025. Creating a Discord server means building your own space for chatting, collaborating, gaming, studying, or even starting an online community. You're in control of everything: the name, the members, the rules, and the content. Let's begin. First things first, unlock your phone and tap on the Discord app. If you're not already logged in, enter your email, phone, and password to access your account. Once you're inside the app, you'll see a list of servers on the left, on Android, or at the bottom on iPhone. This is your main screen. To create a new server, look for the plus icon on the left side now. You'll be shown two options. Create My Own, for making your own private or custom server. Join a server, if someone sent you an invite link. Since we're creating a new server, tap Create My Own. Discord will now ask you who the server is for. For me and my friends, perfect for casual use. For a club or community, good for larger or public groups. Choose the one that best fits your purpose. Now it's time to give your server some identity. Type in your server name. This can be anything you like, for example, Gaming Legends, Study Squad, or Art Club. You can also upload a server icon by selecting a photo or image from your phone gallery. This image will appear next to your server name in the app. Then, tap Create Server. If you want to share your server link, you can click Share Link, or you can also click Skip to do it later. That's it. You now have a fully functional Discord server. You'll be taken directly inside, where you'll see the default hashtag general channel and a voice chat channel. From here, you can create more channels like hashtag music, hashtag memes, hashtag announcements. Invite your friends, manage roles, permissions, and settings. You are now officially a Discord server owner. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.